What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your exterior side view mirror on a Volkswagen Jetta. Let's go. So as you can see, ours is missing and broken. It looks like it's just one screw, and we're going to access it from this side, the inside. Alright guys, so in order to get to this garbage, you need to remove this door panel. And to remove the door panel, there's going to be 3 screws. One right there is a T30, one down there, which is also a T30, and one down here, which is a T20. So once those 3 screws are out, you can pry on the door panel and it's going to come right off, and you can just let it hang. The connector is going to be attached to this, so be sure to remove it. And you are going to have 2 clips down there, including that one that lines up with this right here. So when you get to this part, all you would have to do is basically pry hard. Okay? You are going to need a T30 for this one, or a star bolt, whatever will work for you. And the installation is the same in reverse. We're going to route the wire through here, put the mirror, tighten it down, and put it back together. Here we go. Alright, so I have routed the wire right there, and then just slide it into place. Just like that. Make sure it's nice and snug. Then we'll grab that bolt, line it up, and tighten it up. Plug that in and put it back. And just like that, guys, you have installed your brand new mirror on your Volkswagen Jetta. Once you put it together, it's gonna look nice and clean. So you will have to remove the door panel. Like I said, remove the door panel, take that one screw off, put it back in, and it's a wrap. Okay, so that's how you do it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll keep these videos coming. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.